video cannot be monetized. So I just got this notification here in my YouTube channel dashboard, and I'm going to go through and show how I go about and resolve this. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetino Media, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so I just got this thing pop up here, and you've basically got two options. You can either just dismiss this, you can click the three dots here and dismiss the notification, or you can click view options. Now I want to click view options because I do want to resolve this. I don't want to just dismiss it. And you can see this window pops up here. Now, it's important to note that this is not a copyright strike, and the content ID claim on your video doesn't affect your channel. Okay? So don't freak out if you see this kind of a message. It just means that the video can't be monetized. And it says here, ad revenue is paid to the copyright owner. And you can see here, channel not affected. So it's okay. Now, this is a really old video that I think we released in like 2016 or 17 or something. So I'm going to click on the select action because I do want to take action on this and get rid of this message. And it's going to give me some options. So it's saying that I can trim out the segment, or I can dispute it if I think that it's invalid, like if I think that it shouldn't be demonetized. Now, because this is a really old video, I don't really care about it very much. So I'm going to trim out the segment. It says cut out both video and audio of the claim segments to resolve the claim. I'm like, cool, this is an old video. It's probably not getting very many views at all. I'm okay to just trim out the segment. So I'm going to click continue. And if you have music or anything, these options would be available, but this was an interview, I think. So I'm going to click continue. And so you can see here that these are the parts where there's a copyrighted content and there's been a claim made. So there's 4 different sections. It's going to be different for everybody. This was my business partner interviewing someone, so I'm okay. I'm not going to change anything. Like if they set it to this, I'm just going to leave it, and then I'm going to click save because they're going to clip these parts out, and they're going to ask you again, ready to trim. This process might take a while. After your video is trimmed, we'll update any viewing or monetization restrictions. The video will remain in its current state until the process is complete. So now I'm just going to go trim, and then we've got here video editing in process. This process might take a while. You may leave this page and check back later. We'll update you on anything. So there you go, it's done. It's going to be clipping those parts out. Again, this is a very old video, so I'm okay with it. And then once it's completed, either that message will go away, or I can now dismiss it because I've already dealt with it. I've taken an action, right? And you can see here that I can't select any action anymore because it says unavailable while processing. So that's it. That's all that you need to do. They make it very easy for you to deal with, you know, the copyright notification, and your channel isn't affected. So that's what I'm going to do, get that message dismissed, and then continue on with the YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. And if you want to know how our YouTube channel makes over $10,000 a month by creating simple tutorials like this, head down to the description below as I will have a free training for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.